सोनसोडो म्हळ्यार एका भांगरा तांतयाची दिवपी कोमी जाल्या असो आरोप शेडो कावन्सिलाचो मुखेली सावियो कुतिनोन केला। सोनसोडो प्रश्न सुटावो करपा खातीर जावपी कळावा खातीर उच्च न्यायालयान कंत्राटदार, मडगांव नगरपालिका आनी कोयर वेवस्थापन महामंडळाचेर काडिल्ल्या फोगाची कोनोन तुस्तय केल्या।
What we observe is that we have been time and again saying that Sansodo has become a hen that is laying golden eggs, and to prove this we have gone to different departments. Now this is as far as waste management corporation is concerned. Prior to that, 2 years back in 2017, the G Soda had estimated this waste to be as 96,000 cubic meters, and within a period of 2 years it became 2,31,000. I don't know from where, how it has escalated so much. And even G Soda had published a tender, had invited tenders for bioremediation of the same legacy waste, which then was shown as 96,000 cubic meters. And there the contractors who had quoted amount of 412 to 418 rupees per cubic meter, and now the rate is 1,840 rupees. There is a huge jump in the quantity, and there is a huge jump in the price as well. This bioremediation work is nothing but to empty the government quarters, government coffers. This is the main play. And secondly, now when we have so much of waste still there, now this is just 10 crore bills that we have got. By the time the entire thing is completed, it will go up to 50 crores. 50 crores it may cross also. But 2017 they were projecting some 5.7 crores. So see the vast difference. We want that proper accountability should be there in this matter, and we hope that now, secondly, we have observed even at the time of commencement of this bioremediation, the court orders were misused. Advantage had been taken of court orders. So in the same manner, now that the court has given them a deadline of 23rd of February 2023, we hope that the court order is not misused and shortcut works are done, though the money will be spent, money will be taken away by the contractor.